I really believe that moving forward to adapt to a world of uncertainty when it comes to things like drought and climate change and just in general the state of the world, that these types of projects are an incredible way to show children and anybody in a community that we can be part of and participate in projects that are healing and restoring. My name is Sheldon Etheridge, and I'm a teacher with School District 72, and we're sitting in the Quadra Elementary School Wetland project. The inspiration for building a wetland here was during the pandemic. I had a little outdoor class for kids whose parents didn't want them to be inside the school. As I was trudging across the field throughout the year, I realized how wet and soggy the soil was. It just struck me that this place just really actually wanted to revert back to being a wetland. In particular, schools really need to be taking the lead on rewilding projects. You know, it's cliche, but you know, the children really are our future. If they're not able to experience wild spaces and these types of projects, then I think that they perhaps will not know that that's a possibility, that they can participate in these projects and that they can actually be involved in the healing.